So hello guys, today I am inside my car. So I bought a new fastag. My old one is from Paytm. All of you know that what is going on with the Paytm. So the fastag will stop working, supposedly stop working from 29th of Feb. Today is 5th of Feb. So I bought a new fastag from ICICI Bank. So first I'm going to remove my fastag, the Paytm fastag which I have got in my windshield. So I'm going to use my hair dryer to heat it up and take it out. So I use it. Heating is the best way to remove any sticker from your car or from any surface. So I've got the Paytm fastag on my windshield, so I'm going to try to take it out. I'm inside this car now. I've got my hair dryer. I'm going to heat it up so that the glue will loosen up. Just let the heat do its magic. Do it very slowly. If you hurry it up, then some part of the sticker might remain on the windshield. So do it very slowly and gently. Just use the heat and slowly remove the sticker. The major part of the sticker came off and the small part is remaining only. So I'm going to use a little bit of blade or any sharp object which you can use. I'm using some sanitizer on the screen. It has got alcohol in it, so it also removes the stickers. The gum, it helps in removing the gum. I don't want to scratch the windscreen using the blade or any sharp object, so I'm just using a cloth and my finger, and it is coming off. Let me just heat it up a little bit more. You can also use petrol or WD-40 to remove the stickers, the gum of the sticker. I just have to use a little bit of my blade, the sharp object or any sharp object. I just scratch the stubborn part of it, and now I'm only using my sanitizer and my cloth to remove the rest of the glue. You can also use WD-40 or petrol. It will also remove the gum. Make sure to remove all the gum before placing the new fastag, or just simply replace the position of the new fastag. But I like this place. There are these rectangular marks on my car. My car is Nissan Magnite. There are on the bottom also. In the center I've got my dash cam, so I don't want my fastag to be on the center. You can use a hair dryer, or you can take help from any car accessory shop or mobile shop. They've got the heat gun. They will do it for you. If you don't have the access of the hair dryer inside your car, or you don't have the electrical connection, I have got my window next to my car. So this is my new fastag. I bought it from Amazon ICICI Pay. This is basically ICICI Bank fastag. I can manage this fastag in my ICICI Pay app, where I've got my CC also. It can be recharged from CC. It costed me $499, out of which 200 is security deposit and 200 is card balance, and 99 is card fee, processing fee. So we just have to place it like this way. This sticker, where the fastag and PCI is written, should face inside the car. Remove the sticker from the base. Just match it. If it is little bit tilted to one side, then it will also work fine. Just make sure it is stick properly on the car. So now mine is on the car now, and it is properly. So I hope this video will help you in removing your old fastag and sticking the new one. And this is just a small video. Just heating is the most effective way to remove any sticker from car's windscreen, or if it is stick on your car's body. And heating and something like alcohol or petrol or like WD-40, it will also help removing the residual gum from the surface and clean it properly. You can also use soapy water or Colin. So I like to use the sanitizer. This is alcohol based. It works fine. And thanks guys, and thanks for watching. This is how you remove your old fastag and stick the new one.